Ebook Central is an ebook resource that provides a wide range of nonfiction titles, from books about gardening to books about physics. It has a very intuitive search and many options for reading online and downloading titles to read offline. To find Ebook Central, we'll start on the NC Live homepage. If you are accessing our resources remotely, don't forget to select your library and log in. The easiest way to find Ebook Central is by going to our Browse All Databases page and then jumping directly to the E in our A to Z list of databases. We'll take a brief look at the layout of the homepage before looking at some of the ways to search for titles. Let's start with the search box. This works like a catalog search with an advanced search option underneath. The search box is a good choice if you have a specific title, keyword, or author, and you want to do a quick search. Advanced search allows you to narrow by date range and select format options for downloading a chapter or multiple chapters of a book. The Browse Subjects option allows you to search by subject area. If you select philosophy, then you can see all the philosophy books in Ebook Central. Now here's something to keep in mind. The contents of Ebook Central are mainly nonfiction, though they do include a smaller selection of short fiction and poetry, about 1% of the total content in Ebook Central. We'll head back to the homepage to now search for a book. We'll search for a book on dog training and see what's available. On the search results page, you can narrow by year published, subject, or language. As you can see, we have a couple of options for reading online and offline. You can download chapter by chapter or read the entire book offline using Adobe Digital Editions. Instructions for downloading Adobe Digital Editions are in the description of this video. Once you download Adobe Digital Editions to your desktop or to your phone or tablet, you can then select the loan link for the title. Remember to download it as a .acsm file on your laptop so that Adobe Digital Editions can read the book properly. You can also search for keywords within a book, allowing you to find the information that you need faster. The toolbar above the ebook has many options for highlighting, taking notes, and bookmarking pages. In order to do those things, you need to create a basic account with an email and a password for Ebook Central. Want to save your book and read the rest of it later? You can do that by adding the title to your bookshelf. All right, let's look at the highlights for using Ebook Central. You can read books online or offline with Ebook Central. If you want to save any notes, highlighted sections, or use the bookshelf feature, you'll need to create an account with an email and password. If you want to read part of a book offline, you can download PDFs of chapters. If you want to read the entire book offline, you'll need to download Adobe Digital Editions. It's a free program that's different from Adobe Reader. Instructions for downloading that are linked in the description. If you're using a mobile device, the Adobe Digital Editions app is free from the Apple App Store and Google Play. And finally, there are multiple ways to search. You can do that by using the search bar, going to the Browse by Subject page, or using the advanced search. Links to additional Ebook Central training resources can be found in the description below. Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. If you are interested in learning more about our resources and skills that are relevant to librarianship, subscribe to the NC Live YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below.